Is this a dish you'd like to try? As you get more comfortable cooking at home, trying recipes from around the world is a great way to eat smart. Hi, I'm Emily, a dietetic student at Virginia Tech. Any style of cooking can fit into MyPlate. You can use traditional Nigerian flavors and staple foods to build a healthy meal. Let's look at the ways typical Nigerian meals can relate back to the MyPlate guidelines. MyPlate recommends making half of your plate fruits and vegetables. Nigeria has a lot of local fruits and vegetables that you can find at your local grocery store. Mango, pineapples, plantains, cucumbers, okra, and cabbage are different fruits and vegetables that are grown in Nigeria. You can enjoy roasted plantains with light salt and pepper, sauteed tomatoes, peppers, and onions, or cut up your favorite fruits like pineapples and oranges. Yam porridge is also a common dish that you can use cooking sweet potatoes. MyPlate also recommends making half of your grains whole grains. In the traditional jollof rice dish, use brown rice as the whole grain on your plate. Lean protein is another part of MyPlate. In Nigeria, common protein foods are chicken, fish, and other types of seafood. Try sauteing or baking your protein to limit extra fat in your meal. Nigerians also may use plant-based proteins like lentils, nuts, beans, and soy protein. Macadamia nuts and cashews are very similar to tiger nuts, a traditional Nigerian food. Round out MyPlate with a serving of dairy at each meal. These could be low-fat yogurt, reduced-fat cheese, or low-fat milk. Or, if you prefer non-dairy options, soy, almond, and light coconut milks are great alternatives. Look at this typical Nigerian meal that meets MyPlate recommendations. You can find these recipes and more ideas using Nigerian flavors in your meals on our blog. There are many ways to eat smart around the world. MyPlate-inspired dishes from the coastal region of Nigeria are a tasty way to liven up your cooking and celebrate foods from other cultures.
For more ways to eat smart and move more, visit our website.